How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So what I do with my hickey videos is I just go based on questions from subscribers. So I'll find a question from a subscriber, and then I'll just talk about that for the video. I know this isn't fitness related, but it's very popular on my channel, so I'm gonna keep making these videos. And yeah, hopefully you guys will learn something from it. So let's get started right now. Question from the subscriber. Basically, they wanna know if you can get rid of a hickey with a comb. So again, I get all these questions from subscribers, and the comb definitely will work. The reason why it works is that it creates friction on the area that's bruised. Again, a hickey is just a bruise. To get rid of that, all you have to do is rub it. So again, a lot of people, they're struggling to get rid of hickeys. They're trying all this different stuff. Basically, anything that that you can apply to the hickey won't really work. Like any topical cream. I know a lot of people are using toothpaste, some are using chapstick, some are using lipstick, some are using peanut butter. Those are just the different stuff that I see people asking me and questions that I get on my channel from the different people. But generally, none of the stuff that you apply, the topical creams, work well at all, or anything that you apply to it, because you're not trying to absorb it, and you're not trying to, whatever you're applying to, you're not trying to absorb it. What you're trying to do is rub. Anything that you can use to rub the hickey is what you want to do. And again, the reason why rubbing it works is because it's just a bruise. That's all it is. A hickey is a bruise. So to get rid of a bruise, you rub it. You create friction. What happens is it creates blood flow. The more blood flow you get to the area, the faster you get the blood flow, then the faster the hickey will go away. And with this, you can actually get rid of it in about 2 minutes. Literally 2 to 5 minutes, the hickey should be completely gone. One thing I will recommend though, or one thing that I will tell you, is to make sure that you don't get upset after you've done the 2 to 5 minutes, because what's gonna happen is your neck's gonna be super red. Give that 5 to 10 minutes, and once the redness is gone, then you'll have no marks, no redness, nothing on your neck. Generally, that's where you get hickeys, is on your neck. And then the hickey will be completely gone. So anything will work. Coin will work, spoon will work, comb will work, lipstick cap, all those things will work, because all you're doing is creating friction. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks.